Borders and Blockbuster. Billion-dollar companies, yet lack of innovation killed them. Why is this? Why do companies have problems with being successful innovation? There are three factors that companies need to be successful at it: the right people, culture, and process. Today we're focusing on just one key ingredient: the right process. The classical innovation process deals with idea generation, idea selection, and project management. However, this approach has a dramatic failure rate with radical innovation. There's an abundance of great tools out there. However, too much debate has been spent on which tool is best instead of focusing the question on when do we use this tool. At the previous company I worked for, I told them, you know, you owe StageGate a lot of the money that you made. How so, they said. Well, my previous company relied on StageGate for everything, and their loss is your gain. The problem is that companies have been failing to differentiate between incremental innovation that works in a linear fashion and disruptive innovation that works in an iterative fashion. Classical innovation processes like StageGate or Waterfall are designed to manage incremental innovation by using a linear approach. However, they fail when used to create disruptive innovations. Why is that? Because disruptive innovation has requirements which are in conflict with classical business management techniques. Disruptive innovation requires iteration, and only incomplete data is available on the early stages. While classical management strives for efficiency and exact forecasts. The solution we propose consists of three parts. Classify projects according to degree of uncertainty. Use a spiral approach to project management, and classify the appropriate analysis tools for each level of the spiral. Projects are classified by how much information is lacking to make the right decisions, both in terms of market and technical uncertainty. The spiral has three levels that correlate with the degree of uncertainty on the projects on a scale of 1 to 3, 1 being the highest uncertainty, 3 being the lowest. The axis of the spiral represents resources and time invested, which are low for projects on level 1. Once on the appropriate level, a set of analysis tools that are relevant to the degree of uncertainty are selected based on the level of information available. And the final process would look something like this. This framework for innovation projects provides the flexibility needed for successful innovation projects in any industry, and the metrics needed for proper measurement and progress on resource allocation. Going back to the beginning, we would expect that if Blockbuster and Borders had used this strategy, they would be better equipped to deal with the disruptions of Netflix and Amazon. Thank you for your attention.